Unveiling Your True Self, Understanding, Be Oneself. Hello, and welcome to our English learning community. Today, we're going to explore a phrase that sounds simple but holds a deep meaning in our daily conversations and personal reflections. We'll dive into what it means to be oneself. Whether you're at a job interview, among friends, or trying to find your place in a new city, this phrase is about authenticity and comfort in your own skin. So, let's get started and unlock the nuances of being true to who you are. At its core, be oneself is an idiomatic expression that suggests acting authentically and naturally, rather than conforming to external pressures or expectations. It means to behave in a manner that is true to your own personality, spirit, and character, even when others might urge you to act differently. In social situations, you'll often hear this phrase used as advice. For example, someone might say, "Just be yourself," when you're nervous about meeting new people. It's a reminder that your natural disposition is the best way to make a genuine connection. During performances or presentations, before taking the stage or giving a speech, be yourself can be the nudge you need to bring out your personal style and confidence, rather than imitating someone else's. Self-acceptance and growth. This phrase is also pivotal in personal development. Embracing the concept of be oneself encourages self-acceptance and can lead to a more authentic and fulfilling life. Let's look at some examples to see how this phrase works in everyday language. I was trying so hard to impress my colleagues, but then I realized I just needed to be myself. The best thing about her is that she's always herself. She never pretends to be someone she's not. He's most funny when he's being himself and not trying to follow a script. The value of authenticity is universal, but the encouragement to be oneself can be particularly prevalent in cultures that celebrate individualism and self-expression. It's often seen as a cornerstone of one's integrity and personal brand. It's not always easy to be oneself, especially in situations where there is pressure to conform. Discussing this struggle can resonate with many viewers who have felt the same way. Offer viewers some advice on how to stay true to themselves, such as reflecting on what makes you unique, staying consistent in different aspects of life, resisting the urge to compare oneself to others. And there you have it. We've unpacked the phrase, be oneself, and explored its significance. Remember, being authentic is about being in harmony with your true self, and it's a journey worth embarking on. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more insights into the English language. Be bold, be brave, be yourself, and see you next time.